Hello friends, I am happy to inform you that now we are introducing CIA Diary on our YouTube channel Redefining Internal Audit. In this CIA Diary, you will be getting number of videos related to the CIA course, and the videos will be related to the benefits of CIA, doing this course CIA, and then what is the course structure of this CIA, what is the eligibility requirements to register into this course, and what is the entire journey to become a CIA, means what are the different steps to follow to become a CIA. So we will be sharing all this video on our this CIA diary. So first of all, I welcome you all to our channel Redefining Internal Audit. Hello everyone, my name is Puneet Garg and I am a certified internal auditor. By the way of this video, I will be sharing you few insights about the benefit of doing the CIA course. So this CIA certification is the globally recognized certification in the field of internal audit, and the number of benefits you will be getting when you will become a certified internal auditor. So the first thing is that you will be getting the higher income. So higher income means that you will be getting the higher increment in your department, because you will be having a degree, you will be having a certification which is globally recognized. So the higher income is the first benefit which a person will be getting. Second thing is that you will be getting more job opportunities. Means whenever an interviewer is shortlisting the resume, so he will be shortlisting your resume first, because you have a global certification, and to carry this global certification means you are in position to demonstrate your excellence in the field of internal audit. So there is the second benefit is that there are the more job opportunities. Third thing is that greater job security. If you will talk about the job continuation in your existing job itself, your job will be the most secured, as you will be having an extra certification while comparing it with your peers who don't have this kind of the certification. So this is the benefit. Next is the increased skill and abilities. So you will be having the different skills which an internal auditor should possess while performing the duties of internal audit. By doing this course, you will be able to understand what are the different things, what are the main components, what are the main elements of internal audit which a person should carry with him, what are the different precautions an internal audit should take, what are the mistakes which an internal auditor must not do in their day-to-day actions. So this is the fourth benefit. Apart from it, you will be getting the heightened respect and admiration in your department itself, because when you will be having this kind of certification, you will be distinguishing yourself from your peers, because the person who is having this kind of certification is supposed to have all of the skills and the global information and the knowledge and the updation related to internal audit. What are the risks prevailing, what are the fraud risks happening in the industries. So you will be having all this kind of the information. So I suggest every person in the field of internal audit must do this course and become a certified internal auditor. So these are the few benefits which I have just explained, although there are the number of benefits. So I have just touched upon few of the major benefits of doing this course. So I believe I have explained the benefits of CIA, and I wish you all the very best of luck. And as I once again recommend that every person in the field of internal audit should do this course. So thanks for watching our videos. In case of any query related to the CIA, you can email us at redefininginternaulaudit at redefiningia@gmail.com, and you can subscribe our channel for the notification related to the CIA on the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.